loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mimi if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. I know you guys love my hair, I know that already, definitely for sure. But in today's video, going to be reviewing ULA hair. ULA hair sent me this hair, and obviously I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys what I feel about this hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and what I think about this hair, you want to keep on watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And yeah, let's just get right into the video, shall we? Showing you everything that came in this beautiful bag. So there was some lashes, there was also wig cap, there was this paper that shows everything about the hair company, a comb, a hairband, and also a pink ribbon as well. So this is a 20-inch Burmese curly hair, 250 density. You can always use code MIE10 to get 10% off. So this hair came with 3 clips that you could hook. Also had a drawstring as well, and also this ropey thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, now let's install the hair. So I wanted like a flip over look, so I can be able to style my hair in the middle part, side part, or like flip over or whatever. So I sectioned out the front of my hair. This is basically going to be the leave out for the half wig. This is what it's looking like at the back. Next, you want to install the wig into your hair. So you basically take the clips and you just hook them into your hair from the middle, the sides, the 2 sides basically. And trust me, you're not going to have any hard time installing this wig because it is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is just put the hook into your hair and that's it. And then you want to make sure that you tie in the drawstring. This is what it looks like after installing, and trust me you guys, this hair ain't budget. Like, this hair isn't going anywhere. Can you see how hard I was pulling? Look at how hard I was pulling, guys. It wasn't going anywhere. For more curl definition, you want to spray the hair with some water, which is what I was doing here. You spray with some water, you use your hands to scrunch it up, both sides obviously. You just want to make sure that you drench the hair in water, guys, and you scrunch it up with your hands. To give your hair more definition, you want to add like a curling cream to this hair. This will help give the curls more definition. And that, can you guys see the curls? Yes, that's how you do it. And you want to comb through with your fingers so you don't ruin the curls. Can you guys see the hair? There was almost little to no shedding, guys. Like, that was all the shedding that happened, and that's like shocking and surprising. Next, you want to make sure that you do the other side. Obviously, you want to section this hair into 2 or 3 parts. That way you can cover all the parts. To lock my curls, I use this gummy hair gel on the curls, and this made it last longer and also gave it a more curl definition, and that's what you want to do, guys. This hair is so beautiful, guys. Like, can you guys see? Can you see the curls? Like, look at that, guys. Like, can you see? This is, I don't know, this is stunning. Like, I wore this hair out and I got so many compliments, guys. It is such a beautiful hair. To blend my hair with the wig, I used this curling mousse on my hair. I basically drenched my hair in this mousse. Yeah, and then I combed it, curled up, added some gel as well, and I made a little twist as well. And yeah, so you want to use your fingers to just create this little twist throughout your entire hair in order for you to blend it into the wig. I also did brush my baby hairs back because I don't like baby hairs, and then I tied it up just for a more tighter look and dried my hair as well. And yeah, this was what my hair was looking like after. I was trying to make a patterns to see what side I wanted the hair to like be on, so I decided it was going to be a side part. I also sprayed my hair with a sheen spray to give it more shine. I trimmed the hair to give it more definition and more bouncy look, and so this can look a bit more fuller, and that's what I did. I added some mousse as well, and yeah, this just gave it more definition, more shine, and honestly, I love this hair. This was the finishing result. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, but this is what it was looking like. Honestly, I was feeling myself so much. So obviously this hair definitely did not take me so long to install. Very easy, very simple, very quick, and I love that. It was very easy to install. I feel like this hair is also very low maintenance. All you need is just water and a little bit of gel and you're good to go. I didn't really do much drying, honestly. It pretty much dried on its own, to be honest. As you guys saw as well, there was almost little to no shedding in this hair, which is something that I love. Like, I literally used my hand to like comb through the hair and it was just little shedding. The hair also is very nice and soft. I definitely love it. You guys can see how it looks on me. Very curly. This is a 20-inch curly half wig as well, so you could literally side it to the part, put it, yeah, side part. You could do a side part with this hair, you could do a middle part with this hair, you could do a flip over or whatever with this hair, which is so nice. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror, to be honest. I so much love this hair. I feel like this looks absolutely good on me. Like, this looks stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.